We are pleased to announce that you can now put your own pretty face on the 2GIG GC2 panel with our customizable faceplates. Not only does the 2GIG GC2 panel come with a new and sleek design, but it also provides your company with the ability to extend your brand identity in the security marketplace, now that you can order the panel without a faceplate and customize it yourself. The silkscreen ready blank faceplates are sold separately in packages of 20 and are ready for you or your company's logo customization. Once you've added your logo, simply peel off the adhesive backing and firmly press the faceplate onto the GC2 panel. Simple as that. But be aware that the adhesive is very heavy duty and it will be difficult to remove the faceplate once it's applied. If you have any further questions about the 2GIG GC2 panel or faceplates, please contact your 2GIG sales rep or visit nortechcontrol.com. Thank you for watching.